Atta says that Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu said, when a person performs circumambulation of the Kaaba, he gets relieved of the limitations whether he is to perform Hajj or Umrah. The reporter asked Atta, where from has Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu derived this law point? He replied, from this verse of the Quran. The altar place of a sacrificial animal is Allah's house. Surah Hajj verse 33. The reporter said sacrifice is offered after returning from Arafat. He replied, Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu asserts the same point, whether the sacrifice is before or after Arafat, and he would derive it from the hadith when the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam during the farewell pilgrimage commanded his companions radiyallahu anhum to take off the ihram. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 3010.